Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching today's video. Today I will show how to use the deform command in Solidworks. At first I am taking the top plane, then go to the Ctrl 8, then select the center rectangle and draw the center rectangle, then determine the dimension by using smart dimension. Then the length will be 5 inch, okay, 5 inch, and the width will be 3 inch. Okay, then close the drawing, go to the features and select the extrude command, click on the side and the height will be 0.5. okay, then click here. The drawing is done. Then go to the front plane and go to the reference geometry and select the plane, and it will be start from origin 0. So done. Then Ctrl 8 and draw and go to the sketch and draw a line or path. Select a line and draw a path. Okay, you can draw it in your way. Then close the drawing. Then Ctrl 7. Go to the insert. Then features. Then select the deform. At first click on this edge, then here click and click on this path. The shape is showing. We can change in this way, and we can increase or decrease. I mean, we can change it by this way. Okay, then go to the then select, then click here. The shape is done by using deform command. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video.